Good morning, class 9. Welcome to the English literature class. I was very happy when I heard that all of you enjoyed the poem Bangle Sellers and also understood it. So today we will do another poem. The title is After Blen Heap by Robert Southey. The script is given to you. You can take out your script. After Blen Heap means what happened after the battle. There was a battle because in 1700 the grandson of King Louis XIV took the throne of Spain, acceded to the throne of Spain. He became the king and the other countries nearby opposed it and there was a fight. England and Austria fought against the French. It was a summer evening. Old Gaspar's work was done. Gaspar is a farmer. He has completed his work. He is sitting before his cottage door. Old Gaspar's work was done and he before his cottage door was sitting in the sun. And by him spotted on the green his little grandchild Wilhelmine. He is watching his granddaughter Wilhelmine, spotted means playing on the grass. She saw her brother Peterkin. Peterkin is her brother. She saw her brother Peterkin roll something large and round, which he beside the rivulet in playing there had found. Rivulet is a small stream and he found something there. It was large, it was round. He came to ask what he had found. He is a small boy, he does not know what it is. So he brought it to his grandfather to ask him what it was. He found it while playing there. He came to ask what he had found that was so large and smooth and round. Old Gaspar took it from the boy who stood expectant by. Expectant eagerly, the boy is waiting to find out what is this thing which he had found, large and smooth and round, what he had found. And then the old man shook his head and with a natural sigh, some sorrow in him, some sadness in him when he told his grandson what it was. "'Tis some poor fellow's skull," said he, "who fell in the great victory." Now there is irony there. It is the skull, but still Gaspar is proud because England, he is an Englishman and England won the war. So he says it is a great victory. This is the common man's attitude to war. They don't realize or they don't give much importance to the suffering, death and destruction. He says these lines are repeated in the poem to emphasize the fact that common man only considers the victory. "'Tis some poor fellow's skull," said he, "who fell in the great victory is the battle. I find them in the garden, for there is many here about. And often when I go to plough, the ploughshare turns them out." When Gaspar ploughs the field and turns the soil, he finds many skulls. "For many thousand men," said he, "were slain in that great victory." Again irony there, 1,000 men were killed, but still Gaspar says that it is a great victory for the English. Now tell us what it's all about. Young Peterkin, he cries. Peterkin wanted to know the reasons why there was this battle, why men were killed. And little Wilhelmine looks up with wonder-waiting eyes. Wonder-waiting eyes, there is alliteration there, the repetition of the consonant sound, W. With wonder-waiting eyes. Now tell us all about the war and what they fought each other for. What was the reason for this war? Why did they fight? The children cannot understand. It was the English, Gaspar side, who put the French to rout. The English defeated the French, who put the French to rout. Gaspar is happy because the English defeated the French. But what they fought each other for, I could not well make out. I cannot find out the reason why they fought. Gaspar does not know the reasons why they fought. He knows only that it is a great victory. It was the English, Gaspar cried, who put the French to rout. But what they fought each other for, I could not well make out. I cannot understand the reason. But everybody said Kothi. Said means Koth. Said it was a famous victory. Everybody at that time, Gaspar was a child, and everybody maintained or continued to say that it was a big victory. My father, now Gaspar is relating his own experience. My father lived at Blenheim then. He lived yon little stream hard by. Gaspar's father lived near the stream at Blenheim. They burnt his dwelling to the ground. The enemy destroyed his house completely by burning it, and he was forced to flee. He had to run away. He was homeless. He had to escape. So with his wife and child he fled. Child, there is Gaspar. He had to leave his home. He was homeless. Nor had he where to rest his head. He had no shelter because his house was burned. With fire and sword the country round was wasted far and wide. So there was widespread destruction all over. And many a children mother then and newborn babies died. Innocent lives were destroyed. Pregnant mothers and newborn babies were killed. Children mother refers to that. Newborn babies were killed. But things like that must be at every famous victory. So notice the repetition of famous victory. Such things will happen. Such death and destruction will happen whenever there is a victory in battle. They say it was a shocking sight. They means the people, because Gaspar was very small at that time. He was a child. They say it was a shocking sight. It was a terrible scene. After the field was won. Field is battle. After the battle was won. For many thousand bodies here lay rotting in the sun. At that time, people used to say there were thousands of bodies decaying, dead bodies decaying in the sun. But things like that, must be after a famous victory. Such things happen after a victory. Great praise the Duke of Marlborough won, and our good Prince Eugene. Duke of Marlborough commanded the English forces. Prince Eugene commanded the Austrian forces. And they were allied together. They were combined. Why? It was a very wicked thing. Notice the reaction of Wilhelmine. This was a very wicked thing. But Gaspar says it was a big victory. Why? It was a very wicked thing, said little Wilhelmine. Nay, my little girl Kothi. Gaspar refuses to accept that it is a wicked thing. It was a famous victory. Gaspar says it was a big victory. And everybody praised the Duke, who this great fight did win. Everybody was praising. But what good came of it at last? So Peterkin says, what was the good of this war? Did anybody win anything? Both sides lost people, lost houses, lost so much. But what good came of it at last? Quote means said, little Peterkin. Why, that I cannot tell. So Gaspar says he cannot say the reasons. That he cannot say. He only knows, but it was a famous victory. He knows that it is only a big victory. So through the eyes of these little children, the poet brings out the futility, the death, the destruction and suffering of war, which a common man like Gaspar cannot understand. He only praises the victory which the English won in the war.